Shungite water purification is well known today, and we know about countless benefits of using your Shungite stones for water cleansing. You can successfully filter out a huge amount of toxic and radioactive elements from your drinking water, positively change water pH level, and enrich your water with positive elements. Shungite water possesses antioxidant capabilities and can greatly influence your health, especially your digestion, blood pressure, and aging processes. Shungite water is extremely easy to make. All you need is to use from 150 to 200 grams of Shungite stones for every liter of water. Put the stones into water reservoir and leave it for 6 hours. After that, your water will be ready for drinking and provide you with a proper boost of health, energy, and determination. Purchase Shungite water stones and enjoy all the powerful properties of Shungite, the best of Karelian nature.